Looky here.
Oh my goodness. Look.
Look, there's one for Cody. Maybe. Carly, look. There's one for you.
Oh, cute.
And there's one for Cassie. And Cody went to his bed. He's done.
Okay.
Look, he makes a noise. He makes a funny noise.
Oh, that's perfect.
Cassie, look. Look, there's more toys. There's still more toys. Looky here, look, it's a little hot dog. It's a little hot dog does Bubby want it? Or Carly.
Carly, that could be nice.
Get it. Look at all the toys.
Look, how exciting.
More. I know you like these. There you go. Right there. Look, there's an ice cream cone.
My goodness, look at all the toys. You are so spoiled.
Yes, you're also very spoiled. I think you're gonna have those. And then look, there's some cute little ornaments.
Oh, one for each.
That's all.
Yes, and thank you so much, Miss Noella. Yeah. Hey, darling.